All our brownies start by preheating the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So let's begin there. I'm sharing recipes for 3 kinds of brownies: a cakey one which can last longer, a soft and gooey one, and an indulgent brownie with walnuts and chocolate chunks. All the recipes in this video are available in the description below or at the end of the video. To bake the brownies, we'll need a 9x9 inch square pan or a large 8-inch round pan. Preparing the pan by greasing with butter, then covering with butter paper and using butter to grease over the paper as well. For the cakey brownie, start by melting 1 cup of unsalted butter, in a large bowl, add 2 cups of white castor sugar and the melted butter. And add in 4 whole eggs. Whisk well. Shift in 1 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 1/3 cup of refined flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Fold in the dry ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add half a cup of milk, mix it, ensuring that there are no lumps. Pour into a prepared baking tin. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Let cool and unmold. This brownie can last up to a week in an airtight container at room temperature. For the gooey brownie, start by chopping 3/4 cups of chocolate into chunks. In a bowl, melt half a cup of unsalted butter. Add to it the chocolate chunks and mix well. Heat again if needed so that the chocolate melts and mixes in. In a large bowl, add 3/4 cup of white castor sugar, half a cup of brown sugar and the melted butter mixture, along with 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix, then whisk in 2 whole eggs. Shift in 1/3 cup of cocoa powder and half a cup of refined flour. Fold in the dry ingredients, mixing well, ensuring there are no lumps. Pour into a prepared baking tin. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Let it cool completely before you unmold the brownie by picking it up using the butter paper. This brownie can last up to 4 days in an airtight container at room temperature. For the indulgent brownie, you'll need an additional 3/4 cup of chopped chocolate chunks, 3 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, along with the recipe for the gooey brownie. Follow the same recipe as the gooey brownie, but just before pouring the batter into the mold, add in the walnuts and half the additional chocolate chunks into the batter. Pour the batter into a prepared baking tin and top with chocolate chunks. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Let it cool completely before you unmold the brownie, by once again picking it out using the butter paper. This brownie can last up to 2 days in an airtight container at room temperature. Hope you try all 3 recipes and see for yourself the difference just a few ingredients can have on a brownie. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. For more such recipes, subscribe to the channel.